Still remain on Nyebuchinwa Shiburu, be known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching to you nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akụ mmiri, eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That is part of what I have brought upon your platform. It is unto you to hit the like button and share this very program amicably. Hit the like button and share this very program amicably, please. We need to move on and we need to go on. Hit the like button and share this very program. Now, let me move on upon this very program this afternoon. All of you are hearing the news coming from Kwara State. Are you not hearing the news, right? This is Yoruba soil and it is happening on Yoruba land. By now, there is no outrage. Who are the people being kpaid? They are the Yoruba people. Who are the people sponsoring bigot against the Igbos? They are the Yoruba people. Who are the people buying the Yoruba people? It is the Fulani people. Who are the Yorubas hating on social media? It is the Igbo people. I don't want to talk about, but whatever happens, Peter Obi is an Igbo man. I do not buy into his political nonsense or one Nigerian presidency. But there is something that happened. Few days ago, he sent condolence to a particular king was it in Ilori? And the social media got agog. They were saying, oh, he disrespected the king. But Fulani by their king today, they are not talking anything. They are not speaking anything. Nobody is speaking up from that area. And I want to ask all of you people, is this what you want for yourself? Ndị Igbo. These very people are helpless. Follow the news, follow the trend. Know what is happening to Yoruba people on their own soil. But they are busy demolishing Igbo businesses. Many of their land have been taken. Like Lagos, for instance, that we are talking about, many of Lagos states have been taken by Fulani, which they cannot collect those places back. Instead of them to collect those places back, Fulani will collect more places. Because what they do is to assemble themselves one place. Then from there, they take more places. If you go to Badagry, for instance, they dominate part of Badagry. In Mushi, somewhere called Idiaraba, they are the ones. In fact, the Idiaraba is not even a Yoruba word. Once they dominate, they rename. Before all of them, they will rename their lands and their territory, and they will be there looking sheepishly. They cannot do anything, but their hatred is on an Igbo man. Is Igbo their problem? The answer is no. I am bringing what is happening to you so that you know what is happening. It wouldn't be a surprise to many on the atrocities happening in Nigeria. It wouldn't be a surprise to many on the atrocities happening in Nigeria. And let me continue to let you know. I will continue to let you know this. If you do not wake up or stand up to agitate for your own freedom, you will be like the Fulani people. Are you getting me? If you do not wake up or stand up to protect your own land, your heritage, your everything about you, you will be like this Kwara. The heartbreaking part of it is that for all those Igbo, Ndị Igbo, oh, the BLA must stop. There is no Fulani anywhere. They are preaching this to you and you are listening. Now let me box your bubble. The Kwara people, they organized local vigilante, which it has some atom of assimilation. Hey, it has some atom of assimilation to the government and some acceptance to their local government. When these terrorists were coming to unalive them, do you know what the Nigerian army did? The Nigerian army, first of all, arrived there, collected their den guns that they are using to protect themselves. Then these very people came and unalived them. They unalive even a king, a king, a king of the Yoruba extraction. They unalive even a king. Yet there is no uprising. And when they were telling the army to go after those who unalive them, the army told them that they have not received signal. Now the question is, which signal did the Nigerian army use to collect their guns? Who gave them the signal? Are you getting it? You must stand up and protect yourself. Unless, if you want to play politics with the way that they are playing politics with their own life, Fulani will unalive each and every one of you. That is the game going on. For those of you who are Igbos, Igbo presidency, you are jumping up. There is something that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu used to say. After 8 years, do you have control over what is happening to your own people? This one is not even after 8 years. Tinubu is still the president of Nigeria. Then the Fulanis have been kpaid in large quantity. They kpaid the Fulani within their nostrils. I mean, they kpaid the Yorubas, not the Fulanis. They kpaid the Yorubas within their nostrils. They cannot do anything. They watch as the Fulani kpaid them, even their Ọba. Ndị Igbo, once again, is this what you want? If that is not what you want, you must stand up and protect your land and your territory. Your territorial integrity is number one and sacrosanct. Anyone telling you, that you must not protect yourself is lying to you. Anyone trying to tell you, you are the problem, changing the narrative is lying to you. You must stand up and protect yourself. Otherwise, you will end up like the people of Kwara. Today, as I was watching them, they were busy packing their belongings. They were busy packing their belongings, leaving their community, leaving their states to the fate of the Fulanis, which means they are surrendering to the Fulani. You have conquered me. That is what they were telling the Fulani. You have conquered us and we are running away from our own land. The reason why this is not happening in Igbo land today is because you have BLA. Ndị Igbo betrayed Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, yes. Backstabbers. They betrayed Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And the same people betrayed Mazen Simon Ekpa. Are they seeing what is happening to Yoruba people? Are they seeing what is happening to Yoruba? Is this what you want? All of you running around at the back of the governors, trying to be area boy to the governors. The Kwara people, we are actually area boy. In fact, there is an emir in Kwara. You know, they have allowed, when the Yorubas see Eze Ndị Igbo, they will say, not in Yoruba land, you cannot be Eze Ndị Igbo. Have we collected any inch of Yoruba territory? The answer is no. But I will box your bubble. The reason why they are waking up, telling you that you cannot be Eze Ndị Igbo in Yoruba land is because Ijebu Igbo was an Igbo settlement before pushing them down to Delta. In case if you don't know, I am letting you to know that part of history that they denied you. You know, Nigeria doesn't teach history. So far, you claim to be a Nigerian, you claim to be an animal. Because they don't teach history. They don't tell you what you need to know and what you need to know to protect yourself against savages. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi, preaching to you from my own end. Your only good work is to hit the like button and share. I have 24 people watching live and direct, and only 5 people have hit the like button. Others must hit the like button, and the time now is 23 minutes after 2. From my own end here, you must hit the like button and share. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi. Let us move on and preach this holy gospel without fear nor favor to anyone. If I am preaching, you ask yourself, is this what you want for your own people? Is this what you want for your own self? Is this what you want for your own generation? We are facing imminent perils of our life. We are facing extermination, and you must be truthful and sincere. If you go to Kwara State today, they are running away from their own ancestral land. Have we unalived anybody in Yoruba land before? The answer is no. But they are running away from the Fulanis. They are going into exile from their own land. But when they see Ndị Igbo, they will say, oh, they want to collect our land, oh, they want to collect our land. Today, Fulani have pushed them away. And they are crying. Fulani kpaid their Ọbá on their own soil. And one emir of Kwara, imagine an emir in their own land, said that police should arrest terrorists are bringing the reputation of those of you who are hallelujah boys. Oh, I am an hallelujah boy. Ask yourself, is this what you want? Are you sacrificing your life on the altar of politics? That dirty politics that they play in Nigeria. Are you going to sacrifice your life on the altar of dirty politics? Or are you for real, for your own freedom? Agbambo atonogwe, agbabo atonogwe, obuho ogwe ka apere ako. Agbambo atonogwe, agbabo atonogwe, obuho ogwe ka apere ako. I used to say this. Before they captured Benue, they first of all went after Ghana. They first of all went after Ghana. When they were going after Ghana, some of their people were saying, oh yes, they have captured and they have neutralized Ghana. Now there is no fear. They never knew that that was when their fear began. They never knew that the buying of Ghana is opening a door of hell against their own people. Today, is anyone saving them? Tell me if anyone is saving them in Benue. Our own people had to listen, and our own people had to learn from history. You must learn from history, and you must learn. In case if you refuse to learn, history will teach you that brutal side of them. You must, as a matter of fact, learn from history. Today, our own people are saying, I read one article. I shared one article for our brother, Obinna Victor Uzaganobi. I thought, though the article was a very fine article, but he needs to do more and stop this myopic mindset of his. And was shared by 247. 247 shared a pics of Obinna Victor Uzaganobi saying that Gentle and this guy have buy because they want to bring BLA to disrepute, that this and that. Obinna, nobody gives life. You don't give life. And for your information, when I was carrying that Gentle have buyed, I was trying to achieve one aim here. I knew that Gentle is alive, please. Gentle is alive and well. Apart from the poison, infused poison given to them, Gentle is alive. Nothing is wrong with Gentle. For those of you, but you were among the people saying he have died. If you don't know anything, just Merono Gerie. Nobody gives life. I read one article saying, oh, how they want to bring this repute and this. Obinna, you are hiding at the pigeonhole to write that Gentle have by and in his next life, according to the jargons that you wrote. I never knew that you are this heartless. I never knew. I never knew that this guy is this heartless. But Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiama will bring you to book. That I can assure you. Those who are confusing you, continue writing rubbish. Just continue writing rubbish. I want all of you to know, for those of you who are celebrating, thank God that Gentle is alive. For those of you who we are celebrating, if minus Igwe Butos or minus Gentle and other commanders, your land would be like Kwara State today. The heartbreaking part is that these very people believe in one Nigeria. They are calling their own Nigeria. In fact, when they were protesting, they said that they have gone to their local government to collect a pass or whatever. Your local government cannot do anything to save you. I am telling you, because your local government is answerable to state government. State government is answerable to federal. And the people buying you people are coming from federal. And the agenda is to Islamize everywhere. That's the agenda. So your local government will never do anything. For those of you believing in local government, you have to wake up. Wake up. If you do not act like Gentle and the rest, your land will never be secured. When you act like them, they will say, oh, this and that, this and that. But that is how you guide your land. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi, please. Nwashigburubi Kambo, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Go to Kwara State today and see what is happening to them. Before you type rubbish or before you write rubbish, ask yourself, do I want to be like the Kwara people? Am I supporting the buying of our own people? Those of them that have risen now to tell you that BLA are criminal, preparing to go after them. Ask them, where were they when the Fulanis were showing paper to the Igbo people? Where were they? Where were they? Are you aware that in Four Corner, Enugu State, a private jet was seen supplying the Fulani people things, tools to go against the locals in Enugu State? How are our people forgetting so easily what happened in Enugu State? And a private jet was seen around there supplying the local, supplying the Fulanis, occupying the forest, weapons to go after the men. And today, our own people are still very, 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 very happy that they are buying their own people. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi. The truth which I preach on this very platform, I only beg Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiama, let it protect me. Because it is the truth that will protect you. The truth which you preach is the guideline, is the beacon of light to guide and protect you. And that truth which I stand for upon this very platform will protect me. Are you understanding me? Are you hearing me? I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi. Go to Kwara State today. Heartbreaking part of it, a woman was crying on the ground. This very woman was a Yoruba woman. Her husband that was coming home together with his friends were unalived. Kpaid. That this thing is not happening in Biafra land is because of the BLA, which they are telling you, oh, they are criminal. Imagine criminals in Anambra states telling you, oh, criminals. Since you want to hear the advice of those who never stood up to challenge the Fulanis when they were massacring you, since you want to hear their advice against your own people, when they come after you, go and call those people. Imagine a governor, the former governor of Enugu State. Do you remember what he said? I think his name is Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. Correct me, please. Correct me. The former governor of Enugu State. His name is Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, right? If I'm not mistaken. He said, and I quote, that these very people come into my community. They were buying my own people. I called the military and they refused to come. I turned to the police. They refused to come. I called and called. They refused to come when these very people were operating. But when the youth took over, when the youth stand up to go after those buying them, you see the Nigerian army coming. But all this while, they said that they have not received signal. This is the order. Some of our people used to forget things easily. They have forgotten how we get here. I don't know if it is the type of water that they drink in that animal kingdom called Nigeria. I don't know if it is the type of air that they breathe in that animal kingdom called Nigeria that is making them to forget so easily. Have you forgotten so easily? I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburubi. I have 73 live viewers and only 9 people have hit the like button. You must hit the like button and share. I have brought nothing but the undiluted truth to you. For those of you who have no opportunity to start this very program from the beginning, after this very program, play and replay this very program. Jot everything down and you will get the answer. I am fixing the hoodoos to our own problem. And I ask you, do you want our people to live like the Kwara people? Just be sincere to yourself. Do you want the Biafra people to live like the Kwara people? Your guess is as good as mine. And you must be sincere and truthful to your own self that Almighty Chukwuokike Abiyama, who sees in secret, will have mercy upon you. The destination is freedom. There is nothing more great than freedom, and nothing is more profitable than freedom. If anyone is not telling you about freedom, the person is talking nonsense. And we move. Now, they have told you, oh, when you wipe away BLA in Biafra land, that is when your trouble will stop. But what you did not ask them is that, will it stop? How many of you remember when the Fulanis gave this thing that they are going to take a boy and Enugu away from the Igbos, from the Biafra people, and they make claim to their distance. They were coming in to buy people. We saw private jets supplying them. Who were those who stood their ground and said, no, you cannot take over my land. No, you cannot conquer my people. No, our own people are not going to be refugees. It is this very BLA. They have forgotten so easily. Even those writing jargons have forgotten so easily. It is the BLA. Now let me ask you, if you stop the BLA or if they get angry and stop, will you stop those who have already given their communique, or do you think that Fulani forgets? Once they say something, in the next 300 years, they are working towards that particular agenda. And the number one agenda that they have now is to quell the BLA, to stop them, so as to give smooth entry into the Biafra territory. Because they knew that they cannot penetrate. Fulani is a very, very cowardic tribe. Once you have that thing that they have, they know that they cannot penetrate. Ordinary Ghana stop them. Ordinary Ghana stop them. They are very, very cowardic. So when they know that they cannot penetrate, the only agenda and the only thing that they have is now to deceive your own people. The same way they deceive the Hausa people. You know, we teach, when Mazen Namdekano was teaching how Fulani penetrated the Hausas and deceived them to go against their own people, thinking that they are the demons that they have. And after they weaken the Hausa tribe, they overrun the Hausa tribe. We were saying, oh, we are not going to be part of those people. We are brainless, brain people. Use brainless. We are brain people. How can Fulani deceive the Hausa? We used to tell the Hausa, do you think that we are you people that the Fulani deceive? No, Bidogokwe. Fulani have penetrated you. Mazen Namdekano taught in his teaching, they use the Hausa people, the same Hausa people, to tell them that their own people are bad people. They have used your own people to tell you that your own people are bad people. And the only reason that you are not going front, the only reason that you are being kpaid, the only reason that you are being unalive is because of your own people. So, Unebidona, oh, our own people are bad. Our own people are this. Our own people are evil. Is this what you want yourself? Look at Kwara. Look at Kwara. Kwara organized themselves. Just because they have hope in Nigeria, the Nigerian military came and took over what they have. And then the Fulanis overrun them. Today, they are running away from their own land. I think when I compile my video in the evening, I will show you the videos. Very, very disturbing videos. And as I am a father. Sometimes I put myself in the shoes of those people fleeing. I put myself on the shoes of their wives. Like this very woman that they kpaid the husband. They kpaid the friends. This very woman have become a widow. Crying, making a video of herself, even as Obina Abawaya, she was making a video of herself telling you people, Nankeye, Bemeugo, tell yourself the truth. Is that what you want for your own self? If that is not what you want for your own self, you must stand up and be counted. I am Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi, please. Is that what you want? Is that what you want for your generation? Is that what you want for your own children? Put yourself in the shoes of those people. Because Abiagokwe, Ana Agorikwage, Ana Agorige, Ana Ebunu Noru. Oh, your own people are evil. To you, you want to wallow in the mindset that your own people are evil, that you are not going front is because of Igwe Butozo. You are not going front is because of NJ Makeup. You are not going front is because of Gentle the Yahoo. And those of you hiding at your pigeonholes, writing rubbish. Black man, evil people, writing rubbish. Are cowards, running away, going far away. But those who protecting your own land are the people that you want to model. Oh, this is the way that you are supposed to do. And you that want to model them, you are already hiding in a pigeonhole. Shame on you people. When I see our own people right at times because they want to get acolytes to their nonsense, they thought that they have brain. When I look at the brain of a black man, I ask God, why do you make me a black man? At least God could have made me a white man, so I will escape all these black monkeys. I am Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi. I am Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi. The truth that I have brought upon you is nothing but the undiluted. I have not come to you with any other thing but undiluted truth, because Elohim, the creator of heaven and earth, remains God and not man, and only him will give us the desired freedom. Are you getting me? I have 79 live viewers and only 13 people have hit the like button. Those of you watching this very program, you must hit the like button and share. hit the like button, comment, and share. I am Onyebuchinwa Shibrobi, please. I have 97 live viewers and only 13 people have hit the like button so far. Other 90, should I say 80 something, where are you? Hit the like button, please. Very, very importantly, the like button is very, very important. If you want to secure the life of people that I'm preaching, they must listen to this very message and know that the truth remains on protecting your own people, protecting your own land, protecting your own people and your own self. If you love of self-inflicted hatred leads to destruction. Do you want the destruction of your own people? Do you want the destruction of your own people? Somebody came here and said, but I said Ogenkere is my own leader. Lenunde Mbu. And I have never even promoted Ogenkere for the first time. Please, anybody telling you, I have nobody, I'm not supporting anybody. Anybody, including nobody. Anybody who have where I am promoting Ogenkere, bring that video. This is how they lie to themselves. Right from time, I have never promoted Ogenkere in any of my program. In any of my program. You can keep on writing rubbish. It's up to you. Yeah, it doesn't change anything. And the person that you are following is fooling you. You are coming here to type and write rubbish. I am Onyebuchinwa Shibrobi, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Like you always know, I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. In case if your this thing doesn't want you to listen to me. I am still preaching, please. I am still preaching. Go to anywhere. Go to anywhere and confirm what is happening in Kwara. And ask yourself, do you want this to happen to your own people? Kwara indigenes are running away out of their own land. When Mazi Simon Ekpa was around, our own land was protected. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was around, our own land was protected. And now, the BLA under Igwe Butoso is protecting our own land. But they are telling you, oh, they are criminals and they are savages. The same thing that they did to the people of Benue State. They told them that Ghana is the reason why they are not moving front. Ghana is the one kidnapping and buying them. After the buying of Ghana, after their stupidity made them to jettison the gift of God direct to them. A single man called Ghana protected them. After the buying of Ghana, Fulanis were overrunning Benue like never before. That is the same thing that you people are bringing into the land of Biafra. How many times have you people remember where is Ndị Igbo? When this thing started, Ndị Igbo started going everywhere. Did you know that even the Yorubas started agitating against Ndị Igbo? Oh, he's raising political tension in Yoruba land. Today, the same Kwara State that Ndị Igbo stopped the buying. Ndị Igbo single-handedly stopped the buying. Today, the same Kwara State are running away from their own land. A king in Kwara is being mowed down. A king in Kwara is being mowed down. Those people telling them that, oh, somehow that it is Ndị Igbo that becomes their own problem. Those people are nowhere to be found. None of them are anywhere to be found. Fulani will always use the money to make your own people hate you, which is one thing that is going on in Biafra land now, like this Ukbonu, this Okoko coming here to write to me, oh, but you supported Ogenkere. I am not here for any partisan politics. And if you may ask me, Ogenkeri is better than Ngozi, Halimato, or Rabueze. That's number one. They always bring this thing to me. I know that they could be best of the same feeders, but Ogenkeri is better. At least those following Ogenkeri have never come on social media writing, oh, BLA, I have never seen them. I have never seen them. But the people always telling you, oh, but you supported Ogenkeri. Those are the people telling you that the BLA are criminals. Today, go to Kwara State and ask Kwara State how far they had to protect them, their own people. Go to Kwara State and ask Kwara people how far. I am Onyebuchi Nwashiburobi, please. The truth which I preach upon this very platform. We are only few that can tell you this very truth. The land of Biafra needed protection. And if your own stupidity makes you to weaken this Biafra territory, Nchaye Megi. The recent one in Biafra land is man pass man. And for those of you appreciating man pass man, Naja Yike, the idiot called man pass man, Kesena Yona Gwogu, Gwobuku Onwe Nogu, Ogworokonye. I heard the Okoko was threatening people on social media. You know, when you comment against him, he will threaten you. Now you're making cause. You're making cause. Gaga draw the fool Ogworokonye. Fulani, we are tormenting them. Where we are man past man, when Fulani was everywhere, anchoring and taking over your own land. Where was man past man? Was a Fulani not na bonyu na ajananya? Where was man past man? The coward was nowhere to be found. Who were the people acting, going here and there? It was the BLA who swung into action. In fact, man past man and Andot here, we are complaining. Ihe ndị Fulani na-eme ha. And since he did not produce himself to go after those people. But it have come to his own people. He did not go and stop the Fulani during the time that they were invading. I don't forget. You know, those of us are not being built in the way that they can recollect. I don't forget easily how the Fulani is oshishi. Which people can you do it to? And these are the things that they want me to keep quiet, so that I will become original person. The world is not ruled by evil people just because evil people are in the world. The world is being ruled by the evil people because of the good people who saw the activities of the evil people and decided to keep quiet. That is the reason why evil ruled the world. It is not as if that the evil people have the power, but because of the atrocities of the good ones, the supposed good ones, who saw the atrocities of the bad one and decided to keep quiet. That is the reason why the world is dark and backward. Nwashiburobi can never be that dark and backward like them. I will always be here preaching to you. That's the truth. I do not hate you. I do not hate you. If you like, go to the people that love sugarcoat word and sugarcoat it for all they care. I do not. Are burning the houses. And the BLA can be in those communities for all they care. But immediately the Nigerian government enter that community, they will burn everybody's houses. That same Nigerian soldiers will not save you when the Fulanis come to attack you. They will not save you. They will not be anywhere to be found to save you. They will tell you that they have not collected order. But if it is to attack you and buy Biafrans, they will collect order. How many? Which means that they are collecting order to burn our houses. Those days that they were burning our houses. Yes, now. Which means that they used to collect order to burn our houses. And after burning our houses, our own people will still be calling on the same government which gave them order to burn your houses. Oh, come on, they have burned our houses. If you don't think very well, you must never include me. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashigburobi, and what I have brought upon this very platform is nothing but the undiluted truth. Ask yourself, do you think that there is no government in Kwara? Is that so? Kwara State is being ruled and being ruled by a supposed Yoruba man, if I'm not mistaken. Is that not true? Then what is happening to them? Do you think that there is no government in Kwara? Is that what you are telling me? Today they are running away from your land, from their own land. For those of you who are saying, oh, why must BLA protect themselves? We have a government. Are they are non-state actors? And you want to dwell in that rubbish, that those protecting you are non-state actors, but those buying you are state actors. When I look at the mentalities of black man, I laugh. Black man is evil of himself. And that is the reason why I laugh at the mentality of a black man. I laugh at the mentality of a black man because black man is backward and dark. Black man is daft. That's the only thing. If I may ask you, those of them making video, talking rubbish, have you seen them talking about what is happening in Kwara? Have you seen them? Of which they don't have any day that they make a video in that Nigeria and talk against the Fulanis, that day they will be arrested. You know, most of you go and listen to them. Government have paid them to put their own narrative, you to spread your own narrative. You will not save you when these very people collect. In a country, in a supposed country, where a terrorist is, they said that they are doing, what are they calling it? They said that they are doing, what are they calling it? Peace deal. And the terrorist was telling the government that they're supposed to pay them. They did not pay them. In order for, they paid them small money. In order for the peace deal to go, they're supposed to pay them, or otherwise they are not going to. And the government, the army, the police are there clapping for the terrorist. Then in your own land that you have gathered morale to protect yourself, they come and tell you that those people are the ones impoverishing you. Those people are the ones buying you. And Ikwe, because they use your own people, or because they use the same people claiming to be freedom fighters to sell the narrative to you, Ikwe, go to Kwara today and look at what is happening to them. You know, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu told them that the Yoruba land is gone, and they never believe. Yoruba land is gone. If you get to Lagos now that they are destroying Igbo, let me tell you what Fulani wants to achieve. They know that the Igbo population in Yoruba land will not allow them to overrun Yoruba. They know it. And they see Yoruba people as cowards. So they sponsor the government and they sponsor the agenda of tarnishing the Igbo markets so that they can operate. If you go to Tinkan, the entire area have been taken over by the Fulanis. A Yoruba man in his own soil will go to Tinkan, bow to a Fulani man in order to bail his goods. Are they telling you that? Go to Tinkan, Papa. and see the things that I'm telling you by your own self. They are not telling you this. We are not going to pity them. Once that drum, once they are the ones beating this drum now, and they are overrunning them. As they are busy buying their king, a Yoruba king was spied yesterday by Fulani, and up to today, there is no uprising. But ordinary greeting and condolence of Adobe, the Nwaboai, Peter Obi, spark uprising. And I must tell you the truth. Once this thing that the Yaribas are doing, I know that I have my elder sisters from Yoruba extraction, no doubt. Bisola, my elder sister, is from Yoruba extraction. And he's not the only person. We have about 9 girls in Yoruba land. 9 girls in Yoruba land. And Dele is the only brother that I have from Yoruba. And I used to tell these very people, I have people, my blood as a Yoruba will not make me to stop telling you that bitter truth. This drum that all of you people are beating, not even an inch of our land will contain you people, because you are destroying your own land by your own self-hate, because of Tunumbu's one-man ambition. Tunumbu's ambition. You people will wake up one day to realize that Tunumbu have sold all of you. Is he not the president? They are buying people in Kwara. He's keeping quiet. Who in his right senses, the commander-in-chief of Ndị forces, still keeping quiet over the buying of his own people? Is God not wonderful? You must stand up, please, and protect yourself. You must stand up. A stitch in time saves 9. Ọkwa eme ngwa ngwa eme ghara ọdachi, Igbo na-atọ n'ilu. Onye ọbụla jiri aka egbu onwe ya, a na-akwa agara ya ụlọ akwa. The Yorubas are using they are destroying themselves now. And all of you must stand up and protect the inch. Stop this thing that you people are busy complaining. We have gone to local government to collect this and gone to this to collect this. Protect that your land. Otherwise, there will be no place for you. And then I want to ask our own people, those of our own people, would you want to live like Ndị Kwara? I want to ask you, those of you, do you want to live like Ndị Kwara? Huh? Those of you claiming to be the wisest, do you want to be like the Kwara people? It is what you believe in, what you accepted for your own self. That's the only thing that will happen to you. And you need to stand up and protect yourself against You need to stand up and protect yourself against self-inflicted hate and those destroying our own land. You need to stand up and protect yourself. Just know it that the BLA is the only gateway between your own life and the destruction that they want to cause into your own life. Choose wisely. Do you want to be destroyed or do you want to be protected? My name again still remain Onyebuchi Nwashiburu Obi. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.